So the next project we're going to do, the next sample, is a spaghetti strap or spaghetti kind of tube. So we're just going to start with a bias strip of material. We're going to fold it in half. You can make this in different widths depending on how wide you want your tubing to be. And I'm going to sew this at a 1/2 inch. Got a 1/2 inch seam allowance here. You want to try not to pull on this material. It's biased, so it's going to want to try to stretch out on you. So try to keep it as even as possible. Don't put tension on it. Or let it, fall off the table. Stretch out on you. And I'm going to sew this at a 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to trim that seam allowance down before I turn it inside out. It's just better to have a little more seam allowance so that you can control the fraying. One of the biggest things you want to watch out is that this edge, the tube edge that you're going to finish with, is the same width. So on this side of the needle, that's nice and even. If it's not, you'll have a very wobbly shaped spaghetti on the back stitch there. Now I'm going to trim this down to about 1/4 because I have a pretty wide spaghetti. You can make these a lot smaller, but to get used to the process, it's a little bit better to do a little bit larger one so you can see what's happening. Also, you want to trim this evenly because you're going to be able to see this because it is a sheer material. So like with all of these processes, if you do it neat and evenly, it's going to look nicer because you're going to probably see it a little bit in the finished piece. Now that we have that trimmed, I'm going to trim my threads here. And then you can use a safety pin or something like that, but this tool here is actually a lot easier. It makes the whole process easier. You just slip that, there's a little clip on the end, you're going to slip that through. And then on the very end, you come through and you catch it. It's got a little locking mechanism. You catch that in that clip, and then it's very easy to just turn it inside out. And have a nice finished little piece of spaghetti.